in the boundless depths of space. As humans embarked on explorations into the unknown, they were learning that some secrets were never meant to be uncovered. This is a tale of a fearful adventure that began in space and included on Earth. The spacecraft Pioneer embarked on a long journey to explore the farthest reaches of the universe. Captain Sarah Harrison, leading the mission, tightly controlled the ship. Alongside her was a carefully selected crew, all prepared to explore the mysteries of space. As Pioneer journeyed deeper into space, it stumbled upon an uncharted star system. At its center lay a massive planet that piqued the interest of scientists. However, the planet had an eerie atmosphere with high radiation levels. Sarah and her team decided to make a descent to examine this mysterious world more closely. Upon landing on the planet's surface, the crew encountered strange and unsettling phenomena. The ground was covered in bright purple crystals that eerily vibrated. Moreover, deep underground tunnels were discovered, emitting strange sounds. As they ventured further into the tunnels, the crew encountered even more terrifying surprises. The tunnels seemed to be the lair of bizarre creatures, each with long, slender bodies and eyes that emitted various colors of light. As the crew approached, these creatures became increasingly hostile. When they attempted to flee, they were met by a massive creature waiting at the end of one tunnel. This creature was much larger than the others, with bright red eyes. Before they could escape, they were captured by this creature. Strangely, instead of killing them, the creature transported them somewhere else. Suddenly, they found themselves inside their own spacecraft, but it wasn't Pioneer. What they saw was an entirely different spaceship with bizarre technology. Sarah and her crew found themselves trapped inside this strange ship. It was filled with various alien species, all with eyes emitting brilliant colors. To their amazement, these creatures were speaking in Earth languages. The aliens, it turned out, had imprisoned them as punishment for intruding on their planet and attempting to take the precious crystals. These crystals were their energy source and held immense value to them. Sarah and her team were now trapped in the strange world of these aliens. As time passed, Sarah and her crew began to understand the world of these creatures. They were remnants of an ancient civilization that had lived on this planet for centuries. The crystals were essential for their survival, and they were determined to prevent humans from taking them. Sarah negotiated with the aliens, proposing to return the crystals in exchange for their freedom. However, this offer was rejected by the alien leader. The leader was adamant about not losing the crystals and was prepared to keep the humans imprisoned forever. Sarah and her team, after a long struggle, finally managed to convince the alien leader. They persuaded the leader that they could find a similar energy source, and in return, they would be granted their freedom. The aliens allowed them to return to their spacecraft, and they left the strange planet behind. However, this terrifying adventure had changed them forever. The strange beauty of the planet and the bizarre creatures that inhabited it continued to haunt their dreams. Long after they returned to Earth, Sarah and her crew had learned that while space held many mysteries, some secrets were best left undiscovered.